Black is traditional. But if you'd prefer pink, or vermilion, or chartreuse. Though you might make me jealous.
No way! You're not sewing buttons in my eyes!
Oh, but we need a yes if you want to stay here.
So sharp you won't feel a thing. Ow!
Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I know it's been a while, but with Halloween on the horizon, I've got the spooky spirit again, so let's get started with these button sandwich cookies inspired by Coraline. These cookies do require a special ingredient, black cocoa powder, which you'll probably need to purchase online. It may be tempting to swap it for Dutch process or dark cocoa powder, but you just won't get the same color or flavor, so I don't recommend doing that. Now let's get baking. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 scant teaspoons salt, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 large egg whites, 2 cups all-purpose flour, and 1 1/4 cups black cocoa powder. Start by creaming the butter and sugar until fluffy, then add the vanilla, salt, baking soda, and egg whites. And mix to combine. Sift in the flour and black cocoa powder. At this point I switched to hand mixing because my mixer doesn't really have a low setting and I didn't want flour all over my kitchen. But just mix in the flour. It will appear very gray and crumbly at first, and just keep mixing, trust the process until the dough comes together. Wrap in plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and roll out the dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Now you'll need some simple round cookie cutters in 2 similar sizes. These nested cutters are really useful for a variety of recipes. Use one about 2 to 3 inches wide to cut out your cookies and then transfer those to a parchment-lined cookie sheet. Use another slightly smaller round cutter to imprint a border around your button cookie, and a skewer or chopstick to make the 4 center holes of the button. Also used a larger cutter to reshape some of the cookies that got misshapen during transfer. Bake for 10 minutes just until the cookies are set and allowed to cool completely. For the filling, you'll need a ½ cup butter, a ½ cup vegetable shortening, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. With your hand or stand mixer, mix the butter and shortening until well combined. Sift in your powdered sugar and mix. Then remember you forgot your salt and vanilla and add that as well, and continue mixing until the mixture comes together to resemble a frosting, which is basically what it is. Pipe or spoon your filling onto the underside of one of your cookies. You can see I just used a small cookie scoop. Then sandwich another cookie on top and squish, which was my favorite part. Repeat for all the cookies. I got about 48 cookies out of this recipe, so 24 sandwich cookies, but how many you end up with will depend on how large you make them. And that's it. I'm so pleased with how these came out. I think there's no mistaking what they are, and they'd be an excellent snack for a Coraline watch party. I gave most of these out to friends and got rave reviews back. They basically taste like a giant Oreo cookie, so if that sounds appealing to you, I highly recommend this recipe. And that's all for today. Until next time, happy baking, you guys.
I'm just trying to say goodbye, Minecraft. Yeah. Bye.